Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on how to change the column names and data types of the result in store procedure. So first I will show my table. This is my EMP table which contains 5 columns. Okay, ID, name, salary, gender and department. So here I am creating one store procedure with one input parameter department. So if I want to execute the department name, I want to get all employees who are working in this department. Create proc get emp by dept. This is my procedure name. So here I am taking one input parameter. So at dept name is my input parameter name. So varchar with length. Okay. As begin end. So here I need to write my logic. So I am taking all records from the table. There are 5 columns there in the table. EMP where I am mapping DEPT. DEPT is the column name here. I am mapping the column name with input parameter name equal to at DEPT name. Creating procedure. Yeah, procedure has created successfully. Now, usually when executing exec, mention your procedure name. So it asks you to enter the department name. So here I am passing department name as IT as input parameter. So you will get all employees who are working under IT department. So this is regular process. Suppose after executing the IT department, I got the all columns from the table. Suppose I want to display the column names as ID as employee name, and this is sal. I want to display salary, and like that. This is department completely. Okay, like that I want to display. Okay, coming to data types. So here in the EMP table, if you see, salary is a decimal with 10 precision and 2 scale. Okay, while executing, I want to change the data type also as integer. Instead of decimal, I want to change the integer. So how can we do this? So there is one feature in SQL as with result sets. This is the feature. So we got this feature in 2012 SQL Server version. So how it helps to change the column name. So by using this feature, you can change the column name and data types also from the result of the store procedure. So this is the result of the store procedure, but I want to display as per my requirement. Okay, for that we can write with result sets. With result sets, I am typing here instead of ID. So here in the result I got only ID. I want to display EMP ID integer. Next, name I want to display as EMP name varchar with length. Okay. Next, salary. Sal is there. My column name is sal. I want to change it as a salary, complete salary. Salary. And I already shown the data type of the salary is decimal. So here I want to change as integer. Next, gender. Gender I am keeping as it is. character with 1, and DGPT, instead of DGPT I want to display department with varchar 15. So here I am executing the store procedure with input with given input parameter. At the same time I want to display the results as per like this. So here I am taking all these things. If you execute only this one, you got the same as like the original table. The name of the columns is in the employee table, in the main employee table, without creating store procedure. So what is the, this is my real table before creating store procedure: ID, name, salary, gender, and department. So while executing the store procedure also, you got the same names, but here I want to change the column names and also data types. So this is showing decimal. I want to change the result as salary in integer. Okay, so for that I am using with the result sets with the given column names and also data types. Now you can execute this one. You see employee ID. Earlier it is ID. This is changed to emp underscore ID. Earlier it is name. It is changed to emp underscore name. Earlier it is sal with decimal. Now I changed this as a integer, and also I changed the name as salary, complete salary. Okay, gender as it is there, and earlier it is DGPT. DGPT is the my column name, original column name. I want to change as department to display. So like this, by using this with result sets, you can change the column names of and data types from the results of the store procedure. So this is how you need to use the with result sets while executing the your procedure. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.